Check out what just came in. Right there is my fancy new drive shaft. Let's go put it in.
Indict. Check the wingspan.
Alright, so what does that say right there? Extend drive line to 68 inches. Let's measure. Down to there. What is that? About 63 inches. Not 68. I'm not going to say the machine shop that did it. Come on. Alright. So it seems like every single time I think I'm close or that I fixed this thing after the drive shaft explosion, I'm wrong. Check out this footage.
We are your honest remarks. Keep me from being lost in the dark. You're the cause of the art. You're the reason for big plans. The reason I believe in everything I think. And the reason your initials tattooed up on my ring hand. We're high above the city now. Just look at the wingspan.
So after looking at that footage, I come to the conclusion that obviously the vibration's coming from this end of my drive shaft, and look at all the play in my bearing coming out of the transfer case. What I'm gonna do is pull the transfer case and replace it.
Came home to be the dad Sierra always deserved. The smell of invert haunted all of my shirts, but we finally built the castle, you could call it a church, cause we believe in ourselves. We ain't ready to kick back, I'm just saying we pushed heavy, now the levees have been snapped. Gonna pat us a thick stash, and the plan is to give back to the ones who helped us build it. Well, the weather had been trash, but we fought through that rainfall, kept our eye on the target like we just shot it with paintballs. Learn to embrace balls, get up in the chase goals, then book the plane ticket to celebrate on our days.
Anyways, I can't actually fix this tonight. One, I'm running out of daylight. Two, I don't actually have the new transfer case for it yet. But I wanted to pull it tonight to make sure it was ready for the new one when I actually get it. But yeah, if you like this stuff, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that jazz, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.